Now, the swearing-in will take place in the afternoon at Patna's historic Gandhi Maidan, and a host of high-profile dignitaries are expected to attend.
And that includes Chief Ministers Mamata Banerjee, Arvind Kejriwal. There will also be Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi and a host of leaders from anti-BJP parties attending. So it's likely to be a massive show of strength of anti-Modi forces.
Sworn political enemies in Bengal will turn friends briefly on Friday, as both Mamata Banerjee and the left attend Nitish Kumar's swearing-in as Bihar Chief Minister at Patna's Gandhi Maidan. The other odd political couple, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal of the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress. Kejriwal decimated the BJP in assembly elections in Delhi and wiped out the Congress. Other anti-BJP voices in Patna on Friday, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav, from Tamil Nadu, former Chief Minister Karunanidhi's son, DMK leader MK Stalin, and Farooq and Omar Abdullah from Kashmir, in what will be a broad anti-Narendra Modi coalition on view at Patna's Gandhi Maidan. The Congress, which is joining the Bihar government, will be represented by Rahul Gandhi and chief ministers from 5 Congress-ruled states.
In Constitution, there is a limit how many vacancies, how many ministers will be there. So accordingly, the Chief Minister has to decide it, whether he is going to fulfill all the posts or whether he is going to fulfill the less number of the posts. PM says that I believe in cooperative federalism. If he believes in both the things, then he has to demonstrate it that if Chief Minister invited him, how he should respond.
Nitish Kumar's party says it invited Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He is sending 2 ministers, Venkaiah Naidu and Rajiv Pratap Rudy.
देखिए, स्वाभाविक है, हमें तो नहीं जा रहा हूं, लेकिन स्वाभाविक है कि वो क्यों चुकेंगे। उनको यदि मान लेते हैं कि उनको एक प्लेटफार्म जो है, नीतीश कुमार जी महत्वाकांक्षी में तो किसी से कम है नहीं, तो उनको एक मौका अपना मिला है, तो मौका मिला है तो उसका यूटिलाइज करना चाहेंगे। ये बाढ़ का पानी है, बाढ़ का पानी क्या कहते हैं कि 2 महीना 4 महीना तक क्या कहते हैं कि वो चलेगा।
In what will be one headache less for the BJP, the Centre-in-Chief and Patna Lok Sabha MP Shatrughan Sinha has said he will not attend despite an invite. Before the Bihar Assembly elections, Nitish Kumar had tried to stitch together an anti-BJP coalition. That coalition never took off. But now, on the basis of a highly impressive showing in the Bihar Assembly elections, along with Lalu, Nitish Kumar could emerge as the focal point of anti-BJP forces in the lead-up to the 2019 Lok Sabha elections. With Ketki Angre and Sunil Prabhu in Delhi, in Patna, this is Alok Pandey, NDTV.